I don't know why it's so hard for me to stay focused. All I need is tiles. Look at that lantern over there.
Hello everyone, I'm Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. I am so excited you're here. And yes, I know I say that all the time, but today I'm extra excited because we're going shopping. My favorite thing to do. So we're gonna go shop for accessories and supplies for our guest bathroom makeover, and you guys will witness firsthand because you're coming with me. So if you want to go on this trip, please stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, here we talk about interior design and decorating through fun DIY projects to help you unleash your inner designer. So please consider subscribing. Also, please leave me a comment down below. What will be your first project for 2019 as that year fast approaches? You want to go shopping? Let's go.
Okay, so we're heading out shopping. First stop will be the 99-cent store for groceries, my least favorite. Alright you guys, so I just left the 99-cent store, and let me tell you, the vegetables are such a good deal there. I got all of these vegetables and fruits because we decided we're gonna start juicing this year. We want to live a healthier lifestyle, so we literally just went and sign up for the gym membership, and then I'm gonna go to Walmart now and get a juicer because we want to live a healthier lifestyle. You know, the older we get, the easier it is for us to just not do the things that we were able to do when we were younger, and I don't want that to happen to us. So I'm off to Walmart to get a juicer and then some other things for the bathroom makeover. I'll show you guys what I got when I get home. Oh my gosh, there's so many options. How do you even decide? 3 in 1? Lord. You just focus and pick one. I think we're gonna go with this one, Fusion Juicer. Change your life, which is what we wanna do. Okay, while I'm here, I do need some sheet moss for that orchid project, and this is only $3.49. I think we're gonna take one of these sheet moss to put that orchid together. And while we're here, I'm gonna choose some samples to take home for the gray for the bathroom. I want it to be really powdery, very soft. So I think that one's a good one. Let's see this one right here. That's also a good one. I have to see them in the light. That's real good. I'll take that one. Alright you guys, so we are leaving Walmart, and I got a few things for groceries and a juicer that I'm so excited about. My favorite kind is carrot and orange. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which your favorite juice is. So I also wanted to mention that right now all of their Christmas at Walmart's 50% off, you guys. So if you need any wrapping paper, any things that you think you might need for next year, this is the right time to get it, because you know at 50% off it'll fly off the shelves. So go get it. Alright you guys, so I just want you to see all of the vegetables that I got at the 99-cent store for $20. Well, first of all, I got some oatmeal. They usually have like really good strawberries, so I always like to have strawberries at hand for my oatmeal in the morning, as well as these blueberries, or sorry, they're not blueberries, but these kind of berries. Then I got 2 of these celery for my juices, and I have all of these pears. I'm gonna try and do some green juice. I got 2 of these carrots because, like I said, my favorite one is carrot and orange. So 2 of these big ginormous carrots. I got some cucumbers because I like to put it on my green juice as well. I have a whole sack of apples for $1.99, so that's a really good deal. And then also I got a big pineapple to put for a little bit of sweetener. And all of these, you guys, was only $21. Isn't that a good deal? Alright you guys, and then also I got this big juice maker because it's the one that we had when my aunt was still here with us. I got some honey for our oatmeal in the morning. I got the green moss for that orchid arrangement we're gonna do. And it's very important, I always like to put a little bit of spinach on my juice to give me a little bit boost of energy. And also a bag of junk food because we always have junk food here in the house. So now I'm gonna go decide what paint I'm gonna buy and I'll let you know which one, okay? Stay tuned. All right, so this is the color that I am going with. I think it's gonna be a top one. Here's a picture. There's gonna be against, and the picture has some gray in it. So I really want it to be a powdery gray because this is almost too white and this is too dark. So I think the top one will probably do the job. What do you guys think? Jameson, Amor, come here. Let's ask Jameson for a second opinion. I really like the top one. Let's see what he thinks. Which paint do you like over here? Which paint do you like better with this painting?
Middle.
Middle? You don't think it's too soft?
No.
Alright, leave me a comment down below. Alright you guys, so we agreed on one of the paints, so now I'm heading over to Home Depot and we're gonna purchase some paint and probably get to painting because I want to get that bathroom and that guest bedroom ready since our friends are coming over to visit in March. So I want the whole house to be ready. There's going to be so many projects in the next few days, but I think that taking one at a time is the best thing to do. So let me go purchase that paint and some rollers and get painting, and I will continue talking to you in a minute. I get so easily distracted when I'm here at the Home Depot. Like I just saw this terracotta lantern thing and I thought I could put it on my table with a whole bunch of candles instead of using it for a lantern base. So here at the garden section, I know it's not spring, but I cannot wait for spring because the ideas are just pouring into my brain. By the way, I have to go pick up my paint. Alright you guys, so we are now at Ross and my scarf is a mess. First of all of this shopping has left me looking like this, but we're gonna go in there and we're gonna look for some tiles for the guest bathroom. I already got the paint. I have some ideas of what I want the little tiles to look like. I want them to be gray with a little bit of detail in white. Let's go see if we can find something. I've also been looking for a picture frame for my aunt's picture that my grandma gave me, and this is real cute. I like that one, but I want it to be silver, but not so blingy. I really like these mirror ones. What do you guys think? I absolutely love this one. It's very Ralph Lauren on the frame. It's only $6.99. Simple but elegant, just the way she was. I also love this one because it has a little gray detail to it. Let's see how much these are. Only $1.49. Not bad. I also love this one because it has a stripe on it and it gives a little bit more texture. I think this also is a good one at only $2.99. We got a winner, ding ding ding. I don't know why it's so hard for me to stay focused. All I need is tiles. Look at that lantern over there. Rollers, we got a little brush for the... So basically I just put a whole bunch of candles outside and then I light them all on this terracotta pot, and it just helps it feel a little bit more gardeny because of the terracotta pot. And all of my plants here in the patio are planted on a terracotta pot, so it really makes it look gardeny. I love it. What do you guys think? Alright you guys, so I have to be honest, I'm tired from all the shopping and I barely just ate lunch. I got everything that I need to start working on this bathroom and I'm super excited because it really needs to get done. It's like a paint that you just want to rip it off, and so I just need to do that. So please stay tuned for that video coming up very soon. If you guys enjoyed this trip and this vlog, please let me know by leaving me a comment down below and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Also, as I mentioned before, please leave me a comment and let me know what will be the first project that you will tackle in 2019 in your own home. I really want to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you already subscribed, don't forget to turn the notification bell on because I've heard from so many of you that you're not getting
updates on the new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.